Welcome to Emerson Exchange Studios. I'm Jim Cunningham. We are at Emerson Exchange Americas. I'm being joined by Roel van Doren, President of Emerson Automation Solutions Europe, and Travis Heskett, Vice President of Marketing. Gentlemen, welcome. Thanks for spending some time with us here.
Welcome.
Roel, let me start with you. I understand that your team is preparing for Emerson Exchange Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Tell us a little bit about what this event is about.
Okay, yeah, we're preparing for this event for next March in 2018 in The Hague. And it's all about peer sharing and collaboration between our customers to further innovate the industries that we serve.
Is it a little bit like this event here in the Americas?
You can compare it with this event. It's all about getting our customers to top quartile performance. Because did you know that top performers in their industries do projects that half the cost and twice as fast?
I did not
and
know
that they have 3 times less safety incidents, 2 weeks more productions per year, at half the maintenance cost.
Wow.
And we have those top performers in their industries talking to their peers, sharing their experiences so that our customers can learn and go back home with plenty of ideas to further improve the performance of their plants.
Well, that just sounds great. I think I understand why people should attend this event, but Travis, talk a little bit about that. Why is it good for folks to come to the exchange?
Well, it's pretty simple, really. There are 3 good reasons why folks should attend. The first one is training. Training is a journey today, and everybody should have a plan for their own continuing professional development. And that's why we have over 25 certified training courses, ranging from subjects all the way from cybersecurity to working with valves and instruments, all the way through to handling wireless technologies and what all that means. Secondly is learning from peers. 160 end users will talk about the problems they faced, the things that they have done to be able to overcome those problems, and the journey towards top quartile performance. And the third reason is hands-on at the expo, meeting technology experts, meeting with them and understanding its relevance to you as a user, and exploring the new things that Emerson are launching. For example, Delta V version 14, with its new graphical user experience, the PK controller, and the new IIoT readiness. Overall, it's a pretty compelling case, I hope you'll think.
Yeah, I agree with you completely. Having been here at the exchange in America, I know how valuable it is to your customers and also folks at Emerson to find the exchange between customers and Emerson personnel to be invaluable, huh?
Yeah.
So, folks, March 7th through the 9th in The Hague, 2018. It sounds great. I can't wait to be there. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you.